Hi, welcome to the club. Today in this video I will show you how you get Sekiro running in ultrawide. Okay, let's start right ahead. So the first thing, well, I assume you already installed the game and therefore we head into the installation folder of Sekiro and we go, we do right click on Sekiro, go to properties down below, click on that, and then small window pops up. We click on compatibility and then we check the boxes for disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Okay. Then, once that's done, simply close. Okay. The next thing you want to do is you want to check that you have vertical sync enabled. Here, in my example, I have an NVIDIA card, so I go into the NVIDIA control panel, of course. Set VSync to on. I have got a monitor, a screen, better to say, which is G-Sync compatible. Could be you have FreeSync with your AMD card or something. I don't know. Okay, now that we checked that, we can get into modding some files. And therefore, we need to download a couple of files. Therefore, we head over to the Nexus Mods page. There we need to download the Mod Engine files, and we go to Files on the page, and then we simply download the latest ones. Then what do we now? Yeah, we do need to download a couple of other files. We need to download the Ultrawide UI Fixes for 21x9, and optional is restoration of vignette effects like here low health vignette, stealth, and death screen vignettes. That's really handy. Otherwise, let me see if I can find the picture real quick here. Otherwise it will look like this here, and once fixed, it will then look like that, like it's intended for 21x9 ultra widescreen, as I assume we wanted to have. Okay. The last file we need to download, it's not available on Nexus Mods right about now, I discovered. Therefore, I found another URL, and it's available on GitHub. You can simply download that on GitHub. It's called the Sekiro FPS Unlock and More tools, and you simply download that. And then we have the three parts which we need. Then for the where's my window? Let me check my window real quick. One moment. So I closed it. I will open it again. So videos, how to. All right, here I have got the files already. Wrong window. I have got my right window now, and we have the Mod Engine files. We simply go and copy these two files, the input 8DLL and the Mod Engine into the root folder from Sekiro, like I did here. You see, let me just find the files real quick. Here you go. And we are done with the Mod Engine files, right? Afterwards, we copy the UI fixes inside the folder which we create, which is called mods. Simply create that one. It's not there initially. You have to create that one. It's an empty folder then. And then you copy the UI fixes into your Sekiro folder, like here. And you do the same with the restoration for the vignette fixes. Though, if you want to precise, 20x9 or, actually 3440 times 1440 is actually, if you want to precise, 21.33 by 9. If you, I guess you want to choose that. And then you simply go there and select the three files, put them in the menu folder, and when asked, overwrite them. Then that's done. And the last file, third one, is the Sekiro FPS Unlock and More exe, and you simply copy that. Well, I at least did, so you can copy it anywhere to the folder of the Sekiro game where you installed it, and that is about that. Then you can start it. I started it already. And I'm gonna close my windows. So okay, now that we have that, we can start Sekiro again. I did that already. And let me switch the tab real quick. Okay. So, as we can see, it's already patched now. I will just close the window real quick to show you again. And in between, we use the time. I will show you what to set up. So if you want 120 FPS, check the frame rate lock and put 120 in at the custom resolution you want. And if you don't want to load manually, you can check that box too. Okay, then we can put that aside. And then this is how it goes usually. Come on, start already. So as we can see here, there is nothing yet unlocked. Frame rate is still 60 FPS locked, and when I start the game, let me get a save. I take the save real quick. Let me show you. We see it in the loading screen, so nothing is in ultra-wide and unlocked regarding frame rate and so on. Not that bright. I just tab out of the game and switch to our tool, which we downloaded earlier, and just say, here I click on patch game, Control P, so, and it's initializing, scanning, blah, blah, blah. Okay, done already, and then we can switch back to our game. And hey, voila, 21:9, HDR, G-Sync enabled, you can enjoy playing. So you see real quick, so it's working already, it's not a big deal. So, and yeah, well, I hope I could help you with this little task, and yeah, until time. See you then, and peace out, Hoff.